You all know how chutneys are a great accompaniment of our Indian cooking, and there is no meal without a chutney, and especially the breakfast. And South Indian breakfast, we have all types of chutneys every day because our breakfast consists of only idli, dosa, pongal, uttapa, appam, and all. Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. In today's video, I'm going to share a chutney recipe, one of our favorite chutneys, I can say, tomato mint chutney. This chutney recipe I have learned from my sister, elder sister. She is a great cook. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. I have taken 6 to 7 red chilies. You can take as per your taste, because if you want more spicy, then you can add more. If you want less spicy, then you can less 1 or 2. Now into this oil you have to add 1 bunch of pudina leaves. Saute them well. Adjust the flame accordingly, because the pudina should never get burned. It should get fried properly. This will take almost 5 to 6 minutes to fry. Pudina is perfectly cooked. Now at this point we will remove pudina into a plate and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 2 more tablespoons of oil. Add some ginger. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ginger and 4 to 5 big tomatoes. Saute them nicely. Add salt as per the taste for the chutney. Add now and after grinding the chutney also. You can just taste the chutney, and if you require more salt, you can add. Now keep a lid and allow them to cook till they get mushy. Let's check the tomatoes now. They are getting cooked properly. Keep the flame low so that they will not get burnt. The tomatoes are nicely cooked, and the oil is also come out. So at this point, just turn off the gas and let it cool to grind to a chutney. I couldn't shoot while grinding the chutney. I'm so sorry. I'll just tell you how to grind this chutney. First, add red chilies and tomatoes to the mixer jar. Grind them. Once the mixture has become a fine paste, at that moment add pudina and pulse for 2 to 3 times, because pudina should not get into a paste consistency. This is the tip for this chutney. Otherwise the chutney would taste bad, and it will give that bitter taste. So the texture also will not be good. That's why we have to be very careful while grinding the chutney. The consistency should look the same way which I have shown. Now let's add the tadka to the chutney. Take some oil in a kadai. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have spluttered, now add curry leaves and some asafoetida. And turn off the gas, and we will add this tadka to the chutney. One more thing I wanted to say is I have not added water to the chutney as the tomatoes are moist, and we like to have a thick chutney like this. If you want to, you can add some water to get some, thin consistency. I have served this chutney with nice and crisp bajra dosas, also some podi. I will share the dosa and podi recipe very soon in my channel. Hope you all would have seen this chutney recipe, and try this chutney recipe at home and enjoy your idli dosa with this chutney. Pratibha, this is for you because Amit Bhaiya likes this chutney a lot. Whenever I prepare this chutney, he used to like a lot. So this recipe especially for you to get that perfect authentic taste the way I prepare at home. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.